Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting the raw email and its headers. This is essential. Open the message source and copy full headers into a text editor because those received lines hold routing and IP data. Make sure to note the exact timestamp and the mail client shown in headers. Once done, extract the envelope sender and originating IP string. These are the first actionable data points. Also, verify you have legal permission to trace the mail ID, because privacy rules can restrict how you proceed. Now analyze the headers to identify the earliest non-relay hop. That usually reveals the sender IP or last known client IP. Paste headers into a header parser to map the received sequence. Once you have candidate IPs, perform geolocation lookups to get an approximate city, ISP, and coordinates. Remember, geolocation is approximate and can show VPN or mobile carrier ranges. Also check the domain via Whois and DNS records, SBF, DKIM, and DMARC to see if the mail was spoofed versus legitimately routed. Finish by correlating the IP location with message timestamps, user agent strings, and any linked accounts to confirm identity or pattern. If the IP points to a VPN, proxy, or cloud provider, make note of that and consider requesting logs from the email provider or filing a formal legal request. These steps explain why technical tracing sometimes needs administrative help. Make sure to save headers, screenshots, and a clear timeline for evidence. If results are inconsistent, recheck headers for redaction and repeat the geolocation with another database.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.